Hey guys, Chowmaster 100. You might hear rain in the background, but I got something in the mail. Yes, my Sky and Gaia dragonoid. See, there's like D2 double strike. Sky and Gaia dragonoid. Baku boost. 1 bakugan, 1 ability card, 1 metal gate card. Yeah. So, artwork, Gaia dragonoid, Sky dragonoid. Back. A lot of people don't like other guys to spend time on it, so I won't. Let's get into this thing. Okay. I don't need the packaging. I just want my background. And I noticed the packaging is a lot smaller than the old packaging. Got that little thing. The instruction manual. Woohoo! Not gonna say anything about it. Oops, that is not garbage. What am I thinking? Oh my god. Sick of this card. Double mud slap. I got another one. I'm not reading it. Fine, I will. Play during a battle where you have a pair or Aqua's double strike 2. Your background gains G power equal to its second G power 1 time for each power level. Okay. Spectral mix. At the start of battle, if either background is Pyrus or Darkest, the background swap attributes. Nice picture of a Pyrus Spark spin. Gold card. Highest is for Pyrus, 180. Lowest is Ventus, which sucks for me. Now, the moment you all been waiting for. The bakugan. Odie, get out of here! Please. Sir. Now, I'll show him in a second. Oh, in a minute. Hang on. If I can get Gaia dragonoid out. There we go. They're small. Very small. Just saying that. You'll see him in a minute. Don't worry. Really hard to close. I mean, really. Can't close them. Sorry. Awkward silence. I don't know how to like get him on. There we go. I just don't want to force it and break it. Well, sorry. I didn't really close it well. So let's see. We got Sky dragonoid. This is an unboxing review, just to let you guys know. Not a nice day out to play today. Otherwise, I've been like running like a maniac outside, like always. Sky dragonoid. He has a little head, kind of like a little tail with a mandible and wings. He kind of just flops around. Like I heard in another video someone say that. Gross. $7.50. What else is on the ground? I'll move it up a little. That's better. So that's a sky dragonoid. Now, Gaia. Hang on a second. I'm opening all his manual parts. Gaia dragonoid has a lot of manual parts. Just saying. He is the one who has a magnet. Wait, oops, it's still in macros. Oops, he has little feet. The back feet you have to open yourself, and the horns you gotta open yourself. They're very small. I don't get it. Ooh. Sky dragonoid is $7.50. Gaia at $7.80. Oh yeah. So that's all together. If you're supposed to add it, 1,000. Oh my gosh, I don't even know this one. 1,000. That was just me making a weird noise. 1,530 G's. And this little bakugan. I'll try to close him once more. One more time. Come on. Please, I want to close him. He's so cool.
Virus database has been updated.
Shut up. No, I'm not talking to you guys. That was the computer making. So like virus database has been updated. Yeah, I get it. Okay, that always has to say that. Why can't it just shut up? Be quiet. I think I close. Yes, I learned how to close them. Now let's see the action. Hold on. Oops, miss. Whoa, look at that. Sky dragonoid just popped up. That's cool. I like this one. It's very cool. I recommend if you ever see him, get him. If you like Bakugan, I'd get this guy. He's like probably one of the coolest Bakugan I own. Yeah, I think he is like the coolest Bakugan I own. He's really cool. Oh my god. I didn't know he'd be this cool. I just thought he'd kind of be a little I thought he'd just be kind of cool. He's awesome though. I got it. Let's do that again. Maybe Sky Dragonoid will go a little higher, because like a lot of videos he goes like this high. Like off the ground, he'll go like this. Higher than that. Like above my camera. That's what I want him to do. Oh yeah. DNA codes on Sky Dragonoid on one of his wings under him. So try to close him again. Okay, so get how to close him now. So I get it. So I like him. I think he's one of the coolest bakugan. So again, oh, he did. Sky Dragonoid just like pop over. Oh well. At first, when I first heard him, I thought he'd have like 2 magnets, but I like how he kind of just flops around. Very cool Bakugan. So, hang on. Gaia Dragonoid opens up with a tail, front hands, and a head, but you could extend them by his back legs. Erg. And his horns, you pull them up, and if you pull one, the other one comes. So that's Gaia Dragonoid. And the thing I kind of like, he has like a little thing in there to connect to Sky Dragonoid. Sky Dragonoid, his head and wings open up. And tail, you could extend like a little claw. So this has been a Sky and Gaia unboxing / review. One more time, let's see the action. Sky Dragonoid 750 in Subterra, and Gaia is 780. Well, at least in my version, I got him. Well, I got this guy in a boost, so it might be different in the Triad that most people get. One last time before I go. Oops. Just set them. It's being opened. Whee! That's just cool. I just like this guy. I'll probably show him a lot of different videos. So yeah, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. See ya.